Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Update your iPhone to iOS 18 or newer and the AirPods Pro 3 firmware. This unlocks Live Translate. Next, pair the buds and make sure battery is above 20% so translation runs reliably. Once done, open Settings and enable Live Translate under Language and Region. Make sure microphone access is granted. Finally, choose your input and output languages so the translation engine is ready. These steps prepare the device and permissions before you actually initiate a session. Now you begin the live session. Open the Translate app or tap the Live Translate tile in Control Center to start conversation mode. Pick the two languages, one for you, one for the other speaker, and enable Auto Detect if the language may change. Place the iPhone between speakers or let the other person wear one bud for best pickup. Adjust microphone sensitivity and playback volume in the app so translations are clear. This reduces misrecognition and improves timing. Keep the phone index finger away from the mic to avoid muffling. During the exchange, speak in short phrases and pause. This helps the system segment speech and improves accuracy. You can glance at live captions in the Translate app and switch who's speaking. Make sure you use the correct ear for output if you set mono or stereo. When finished, end the session and review or save the transcript for reference. If translations are poor, check your network connection, restart the AirPods Pro 3, toggle Live Translate off and on, or repair the buds to resolve persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.